I think there has to be a mindset shift in our government na jobs is not just there for the money itself, you know. What the money stands for is really safety net. Na kung mawawalan ka ng trabaho suddenly in the next few months, meron ka bang emergency savings to be able to tide yourself by and your family. Kung nagkasakit ka at wala kang pambili ng pumunta ka sa public hospital, they're not able to take you in kasi masyadong madaming tao, then you're also left in the streets, right? So I think it's not just job creation itself, although it's definitely one big thing that we have to improve on. But we also have to think about social safety nets for our people. So looking at job creation, pushing for growing economy, having better wages for people, and enabling businesses to do that by creating that good job quality that we talked about, making more better operational excellence. But at the same time, there's another, the government can have multiple priorities at the same time. That's what I'm saying. We have a lot of money to be able to do that. It's just not being managed well and it's not being governed well. Another thing, apart from that economy building, is trying to understand what if people are not well? What if people can't work because of, many things, disability, etc.? What are the social safety nets that we are giving our people, that we're building up? Kasi bayad naman na ng taxes natin yan. What can we do so that we have a better healthcare system, that we have better unemployment system, kahit nawalan ka ng trabaho, or informal sector ka, makakabuhay ka pa rin ng pamilya.